If you are thinking of calling your dealer to book a unit in Homeland's new Chandigarh project, put the phone down. It's too late. We are witnessing history. In the Mohali real estate market, news like this doesn't just travel, it explodes. 11 acres of premium land gone in a single morning. This is the phenomenon we are dissecting today. On day one of the pre-launch, the entire inventory of Homeland's new 11-acre project in New Chandigarh was sold out in a matter of hours. Not days, not weeks, hours. The speed of this sellout has sent shockwaves through the industry. This isn't just a sellout, it's a statement. A statement that the Mohali luxury market has reached a new fever pitch, driven by trust and unprecedented demand. And the craziest part? The units didn't just sell. They are already trading at a premium in the secondary market on the very same day. Let's talk about how this happened. How can a property appreciate in just hours? Homeland Group has long been known as the kings of luxury in Mohali. Their reputation for quality and delivery is what fueled this frenzy. When Homeland speaks, investors listen. Yesterday, the market was buzzing. Investors and end users were lined up with checks before the official counters even fully opened. It was a race against time to secure a unit. We've seen this in Gurgaon or Dubai. But for New Chandigarh, this is a game changer. 11 acres of premium inventory vanished by sunset, proving the immense appetite for high-end living in New Chandigarh. Why New Chandigarh? It's the future. Proximity to the cricket stadium and the planned infrastructure makes it the most sought-after destination in the region. It's the growth engine of Mohali. The connectivity and the vision of a planned green city have investors flocking to this specific 11-acre ultra-luxury site. It's where luxury meets strategic planning. Being in the heart of the action, Homeland's project was the perfect storm of luxury, location, and brand trust. It's the crown jewel of New Chandigarh's development. Now, let's talk about the money. For investors, this is what we call the money shot. Instant appreciation on day one. It's almost unheard of in traditional real estate. Usually, property appreciation is a waiting game. You buy and wait a year for the market to move. Here, it was a matter of hours. The demand-supply gap was staggering. Day one premium started trading immediately. People with morning allotments were sitting on significant profits by the afternoon as desperate buyers sought entry. The demand was so much higher than the supply that buyers who missed out are offering higher rates just to get a foot in the door. The secondary market is now the only way in. Whether it's Homeland Heights or Regalia, investors know this developer delivers gold. This trust is what makes these Day one premiums possible. People aren't just buying property, they're buying certainty. We often compare this kind of frenzy to markets like Gurgaon. This launch confirms that Mohali is now playing in the big leagues. The scale and speed of investment are now comparable to the nation's top hubs. And it's backed by solid infrastructure. The road networks and planned amenities in New Chandigarh provide the foundation for this luxury boom. It's not just hype, it's a planned reality. So, what if you missed out? Or what if you already own nearby? This launch has massive implications for the entire New Chandigarh market. It's a tide that lifts all boats. If you hold property in Omax or DLF nearby, your valuation just got a massive shot in the arm. Confidence is back in New Chandigarh, and prices are only going one way, higher side. This event single-handedly injected confidence back into the area. It's no longer a wait-and-see market. It's a buy or miss out market. The validation is absolute. If you miss the bus, keep your eyes on the secondary market. You'll have to pay a premium, but the long-term growth story is still intact. Don't let the premium scare you off a good long-term asset. Also, watch for cancellations. Initial checks can bounce, and units can come back into inventory. You need to be ready to move in seconds. Fortune favors the prepared. This event is a wake-up call. The Mohali luxury market is not sleeping. Good inventory does not wait for you to think about it. The windows of opportunity are smaller than ever. I'll be tracking the premium rates and any new inventory that might slip through the cracks. This is a fast-moving market, and I'll be here to guide you through it. If you want those updates and don't want to miss the next big launch, make sure you are subscribed with that bell icon turned on. Stay ahead of the market. Did you get a unit? Tell me your story in the comments. This video has been brought to you by Acres 2 Yards. Stay tuned for regular updates.